Welcome friends! Today we are making delicious and refreshing Vietnamese green mango salad. For this popular salad, you will need green mangoes, cooked shrimp, Thai basil, cilantro, Vietnamese coriander, also called rau răm, red onion, and carrot. For the salad dressing, you will need warm water, sugar, chopped garlic, chili sauce, lime juice, and fish sauce. Garnish with fried shallot and crushed peanut. Begin by making the dressing. In a small cup or bowl, combine warm water with sugar, chopped garlic chili sauce, fish sauce, and lime juice. Now peel the mangoes. In a large bowl, julienne the mangoes. Carrot, slice the red onion. Now chop the herbs. Thai basil, cilantro, and Vietnamese coriander. Now add the cooked shrimp, some fried shallot, and crushed peanut. Gently mix together. Top it off with delicious Vietnamese vinaigrette. And here you have a delicious and refreshing Vietnamese green mango salad. Refreshing and delicious. You can really taste the green mango. My name is Mai. We hope you enjoy watching the video and get a chance to try the recipe. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website. And please remember to subscribe.